Hey everyone, it's Lance with the Ride with Lance, and today I got the XPeak out for some off-road adventures. I am in Coyote Lake, County Park. Just gonna take a little cruise to this nice little campground first, see what it's like. Maybe some summertime camping here for me. Then we're gonna hit the trail. Yeah, you've probably seen this before. This is where I go when I want to ride on the dirt through the oak trees. We're gonna head up there, find the trail. Should be across the street somewhere. And ride through these lovely oak trees. Everything's nice and green. Got the false spring going on. Today's just gonna be a nice leisurely trail ride, off-road trail ride. Nothing crazy, no jumps, no really fast stuff. Just enjoying the outdoors. Okay. This is gonna be fun. I love this type of riding. This is the first true off-road adventure for the new XPeak 2.0. And it starts on an uphill. Yeah, it's gonna be really nice out here. All this green, all these little flowers blooming. Hope you're all having a good weekend. This is a Sunday for me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This might require a ride with less talking and just enjoying the nature. Last time I was out here, everything was dead for the season. No green grass, brown weeds. Today it's just nice. And I hope you're all getting some good weather where you are. Enjoying this weekend. I think this unseasonably warm weather is going to come to an end. And we're going to get more cold weather and more storms. But I'm going to take it where I can get it. It's really nice just to ride through trails like that. They're not tough trails, they're not rough trails, but they just wind in and out of the trees, go up and down. Just fantastic. So what's been happening this week? Well, I got a new bike in from Mach Wheel. It's a commuter e-bike, the Mach Wheel Asphalt. Now I haven't unpacked it yet, but it looks like, at least on the specs that were sent to me, that it's a decently, really nice, I should say really nice, because it does get good reviews. But I'll be working on that this coming week, putting it together, getting video together for it, and presenting it to you all. What else we got going on? I sold a couple of the e-bikes. The Puppy Bulldog, that dual battery. Hey, look at the deer. Now those are true off-roaders right there. Yeah, sold the Puppy Bulldog. That was a dual battery, full suspension e-bike. I also was reluctant to do this, but I sold the XPeak 3.0. A person contacted me and was really in need of it. I think more in need of it than I was. They had the same bike and somebody stole it from them. And they used it to ride their kid around that had special needs. So I said that's a much more worthy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Person to have that bike than me. So we got it to her. But yeah, still have a few more bikes for sale. Still waiting to unveil the new bike I have. I believe the release date for that, they said now, is March 1st. So you'll probably see, well, you'll see mine, but you'll probably see other videos from other creators coming out at the same time too. Everybody trying to be the first one to get that video out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to riding that one a lot more too, because it's really a nice bike. I know I keep teasing you about it in these videos, but it's coming. It's coming. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? I mean, I got the Coyote Lake right over here to the right. Right there. It's a little brown. Got a lot of water running off into it. And I think they're releasing some because they're anticipating more rain to fill it up. But this park is just a great place to come camping or day tripping. It's pretty close to home. It's only about 30 miles from my house. But you get out and just, if you want to ride on this, or you can even ride just on the pavement, you know, by the lake. You do that too. It doesn't have to be off-road. Yes. I know it looks fast, but it's only 15 miles an hour. Hey, squirrely, don't do that. My tires are bigger than you. Yeah, I was a little worried that it would have still been too muddy up here and that they would have had the trails closed off. But I took a chance because I couldn't find any information online if the trails were closed or not. But they're nice and hard packed. A little damp, but I mean nothing that's sticking to my wheels. I think some mountain bikers would call this hero dirt. I call it good cruising dirt. Is that a trail that goes down there? What is that? I want to stop for a second. Oh, just go down there. Okay. Yeah, so last time I was here, I was on the XPeak 1.0 that had the 48 volt 14.4 amp battery on it. Now I got the 48 volt 20 amp battery on the new XPeak 2.0. So last time after I made my loop, I had no battery left for about the last mile. Let's see, let's go this way. But fortunately, it was flat ground. But it did give me a workout in a good way. I'm not going to take the same route I did last time. I want to explore some different areas. Kind of ride the length of the lake. And then kind of loop back. But today, I just want a nice, easy, fun ride. Just enjoying the outdoors. Looks like they got some trail work there. I like these oak trees, especially the really old ones that come across every now and then. They're just huge and got branches and limbs going everywhere. These oak trees here are still young. I see why mountain bikers like it, not the hard bonsai downhill, but the ones who just like riding like this because it's just peaceful. Especially like right now. I mean, you've seen it. I've only passed one, or let one mountain biker pass me. There's been nobody else so far. I got a clicking down there. It almost sounds like I got cards in the spokes. I'll have to pull over soon and see if I got like a stick stuck in the spoke that's hitting it. Hi. Got these bumps from the cows. They walk over the trail. They make these little potholes. So, thank God for front suspension. That works really good. And seat post suspension. Otherwise, I'd be standing up the whole time. Which I probably should be anyways. It's kind of like a little roller coaster ride. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. It turns and it goes down. That's what makes it fun. But I do have to say, the new XPeak 2.0 over the original XPeak, for me, is a night and day difference. With the bigger battery, the torque sensor, it just gives a whole different ride quality, I guess you'd say. The positioning feels the same, but the fact that you need to put more input yourself into it, I think for me just makes it that much better. You see, you don't need to be riding fast on these trails to enjoy it. I'm just at a nice cruising speed. I stay between like 10 and 15. Yeah, see, this is the bigger area where the cows roam. When the mud is muddy, really soft, and they step in this and they just, these big hoof print potholes in the trail. But I do believe they come in here because I think they did it last year. They came in here and they smoothed it out. All right, I'm gonna make a right turn here. And I think I'm gonna head back to the truck for some lunch. Maybe some more riding, but if not, you have a great day, a great week, a great ride. And I will see you on the next adventure. Bye.